Welcome to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the TrendLine Breakout EA built with FXdreema. This expert advisor is designed to identify high-probability breakout opportunities by using custom trend lines. Instead of relying solely on indicators, the EA focuses on price action and breakout mechanics, making it a versatile tool for traders who want to capture strong directional moves. Here's how it works. The EA draws upper and lower trend lines on the chart. Once price breaks through a defined trend line, the system checks trade conditions and executes either a buy or sell order automatically. Custom parameters, including lot size, stop loss in pips, take profit in pips, and candle IDs, allow you to fine-tune the breakout strategy to match your trading style. The EA also includes a mode switch for open orders, giving flexibility for risk management and different trading environments. This breakout system is particularly useful for traders who follow market structure and want to automate their trendline-based setups. However, as with any automated system, it's essential to adapt the EA to your own strategy and market conditions. Important note: before applying the TrendLine Breakout EA on a live account, always take time to understand the trading logic, evaluate potential risks, and conduct backtesting with 99.9% tick data to ensure reliable performance. Subscribe to Mqlrobot EAS for more breakdowns of automated trading systems and tutorials on building Forex EAs without coding. For more details about this EA, check the official page at mqlrobot.com.